Hi, it's Sarah. So I'm coming to talk to you today about this most amazing essential oil, peppermint. Oh my gosh. Okay, so peppermint. So when I'm talking about essential oils, I am only talking to and about doTERRA essential oils. So doTERRA is the company that I use and that I 100% recommend because I trust the company. They are totally pure, sourced from the most potent areas in the world that grow peppermint. And they look after and see the whole process through, from the farming, the harvesting, the distilling, then the making sure that it's completely clean and pure and bottling, and then onto us for us all to use. So when I talk about essential oils, it's doTERRA. And I want to make this clear because I'm going to be talking about how you can use this internally as well. And most of the essential oil companies in the world, they are not pure. They're either man-made, synthetic, or they're not pure. So, okay, that was a quick side note. So peppermint. Peppermint is beautiful. It's, when you smell it, it literally just opens up all your airways. You can feel it going straight into your body, into your brain, and it really creates the most amazing focus, clarity, energy, allows you to breathe deeper. So amazing. 1 drop of peppermint essential oil makes 28 cups of tea. So literally you can just pop your toothpick in the top and then mix it around in some hot water. But what I want to do is I want to talk to you about how we can use this peppermint essential oil in our everyday lives and the energetics of it and the properties of essential oil. So for me, mainly, I always have peppermint oil with me. I have it in a tiny little pot and I have it in my purse, in my handbag. And I use this for many different things. I can literally pop my finger on the top and then on the roof of my mouth, freshens me up, brings me back into focus. If I'm having kind of like a slump in the day, or I'm just like, oh, and just need to re-get in there, or I'm kind of changing from one thing to another, peppermint will just bring you back in, clarity of the mind, focus, just kind of like wake you back up. So this is one way. I love it in my water, so I pop it in my water as well. So you always must use metal or glass, never plastic. I love it for my digestive system. So again, when I have it in my water, that just really helps with my digestive system. I use it in between clients because it helps to completely freshen my breath. I literally just tiny press on here, roof of the mouth, and just move my tongue around and inhale. And I use it to kind of like reset myself as well. So allowing the last client to kind of pass and then opening myself ready for the next client. Kind of like a fresh focus. Peppermint oil is really good for cooling. So I have got a mist at home that I've created that I can literally just spray on myself to cool myself down. It's amazing on hot days. You can just press your finger a tiny little bit on there, rub it around the back of your neck, and it just completely cools you down. So a few months ago, it was absolutely boiling here. So we would literally on here, cool it down. Really lovely, diluted on the soles of the feet, just to help to keep you cool. So it is actually a cooling essential oil. So it's really good if you or any of your family have got a fever. It's really good to dilute, to rub down the spine, soles of the feet, and it just helps to cool that fever down. So that's really good, what we use it for as well. I love it in the diffuser. I absolutely love it in the diffuser. It goes beautifully with like lemon, lavender. I love it with, what else do I put it in with? Sometimes it's just by itself, or peppermint and wild orange as well is stunning. So often what I do is pop a drop of peppermint and a drop of wild orange in the palm of my hands and rub my hands together, pop over and just inhale and allow that to go into the body and change the vibration and the energy within my body. So that's an amazing way to use peppermint as well and diffuse it. So peppermint has many, many uses. It's one of their most sold essential oils. So it's a really good go-to to have within your natural solutions, kind of like medicine kit box. So it's fantastic. So I wanted to talk about, so they're kind of the uses that I use. I'm going to read through some of my books for you. And then the energetics as well. The energetics, it changes the energy within your body. So essential oils can change the vibration in your body. They're vibrational. They hold a vibration within them because they are so pure. And when we inhale them or have them on the roof of our mouth and take them within us internally, they change the vibration of your body. Even if it's just like a little bit, it just lifts you up and brings that energy and focus back into you. So there's 2 books that I love. So the first one is this. So it's Essential Emotions. And this is all about the emotion of the essential oil, the emotional side, the energetic side. So I'm going to read to you from this one about peppermint. And then this is my other go-to. It's absolutely amazing. It's called Modern Essentials. And it's brilliant. And this is for the physical side. So it's brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. So I'm going to quick physical, so from this one, but this is everything that I was saying that we use it for. Let's have a look here. So asthma. So again, it's really good for opening up the lungs. So this is just things that it can aid with. So it's not going to cure or do anything like that. It just allows the breath to deepen. So asthma, bronchitis, digestive issues, fever. So like I said, lowering the temperature. Flu, heartburn, hot flushes, indigestion, migraines, headaches. That's the other thing that I use it for. We just rub it on here, not too close to the eye, but we just rub it kind of like back in the hairline a bit, back of the neck, and it really helps with headaches. Amazing. So does lavender. Helps with motion sickness, nausea, respiratory function, helps with shock, helps with an itchy skin because it helps to cool the area down. Really good for sunburn as well because it will help to cool down. This is diluted though, completely diluted. Throat infection and more digestive issues. There's loads of other things in here, but the main systems that it can aid are your digestive system, muscles, bones, nervous, respiratory system, and your skin. So this is beautiful, and it goes in depth and tells you more about it, but I just wanted to make sure I'd covered all the points for you. So I'm now going to read a little bit from the emotional side of the peppermint. Let's have a quick smell. Oh, so peppermint, it's the oil of a buoyant heart. So peppermint brings joy and buoyancy to the heart and soul. It invigorates the mind, body, and spirit, and reminds individuals that life can be happy. They do not have to be controlled by fear. So it's about releasing the fear and reminding yourself that life can be happy, and it lifts up your heart when you smell this. It lifts them out of their emotional trails for a short reprieve. When individuals use peppermint, they feel as though they're gliding through life. It assists in staying on the surface of emotional issues like floating on the top of water. So it just kind of lifts you out, lightens everything up. The power of peppermint can be felt most in times of discouragement or despair. When individuals are disheartened, they may use peppermint to rediscover the joy of being alive. So I was actually really tired this morning. And peppermint literally has revived me. Oh, I love it. However, a person may also abuse the properties of peppermint oil. It is used as a permanent escape to avoid dealing with emotional pain. It can hinder growth and progress. Peppermint should not be used in this way. It aids individuals who need a short breather. At times, a reprieve is necessary before re-entering emotional waters. But one is not meant to wade into the shallow end forever. When it is accepted and embraced, emotional pain serves as a teacher. Peppermint can assist individuals in regaining the strength needed to face their emotional reality. So not to be used as a permanent, kind of like if you're too low, it's not going to lift you up enough. So you're going to have to face the fears, but it just allows you to lift up enough. For me, it's about focus and clarity. Okay, positive properties. It's buoyant, optimistic. Strength. It gives you strength to face the emotional pain. So if you're going through things, it gives you that strength to kind of face it, but it is not going to pull you through. It's you that has to do that. So here, suggestions of use: inhale from the bottle, diffuse or place 1 drop in the hand, rub your hands together and inhale. Topically, dilute 1 to 2 drops with the carrier oil, apply over the chest, over the shoulders and the back of the neck. Internally, you can place 1 to 2 drops in a veggie cap with some oil, has to be like any oil that you can digest. So it can, olive oil is really good, that's what I use. In a capsule or in your water or roof of the mouth. So this is about lifting yourself up. So the energetics of this is about lifting yourself up. So it's here. So it gives you the strength to face your emotional pain. And then we need to use other essential oils to like carry us through this pain. So this is lifting us up, giving us energy, being able to face what's going on. I absolutely love peppermint. So peppermint, the oil of a buoyant heart. For me, it's all about energy, focus, clarity, realigning me. And then it's all about, helps with my breathing, my digestive issues, cooling, vibrancy, energy. The only way is to try it. So this is one of my go-tos for a lot of things. So I hope this has been really helpful. I'm going to pop some links below if you want to come and have a look at my website. If you want to contact me, feel free. I can help you get started with the essential oils, help you create a beautiful wellness plan. Okay, so sending loads of love. Bye.